Manshi and I welcome you to my channel. So how are you guys doing? I really hope that you all are good and you're enjoying your Tuesday. So आज की वीडियो है हमारी नायका हॉल and all the products that I'm gonna show you in this video are worth your money. It's been 1 month since I received these products. So I didn't make my haul at that time क्योंकि I didn't know कि ये products will work or not. So अब जब मैंने इनको यूज़ कर लिया है, when I tried them, so I will also review them and I'll show you what I have with myself. So I'm really excited to show you guys what new I shopped. So let's get started. So first thing first, सबसे पहले हम बेस से स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो बेस के लिए मेरे पास है फाउंडेशन. So this is the foundation that I have with myself. So this is the Wet n Wild foundation, photo focus foundation, and this is in the shade amber beige. One thing to note that this is cruelty free. So I've tried it more than once and I'm here with the review. सो आई लाइक दिस फाउंडेशन. काफ़ी ब्लेंडेबल है, काफ़ी अच्छी कवरेज भी है इसकी. दी ओनली थिंग दैट आई डू नॉट लाइक अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ द फ्रेगनेंस. आई डू नॉट नो इफ दे हैव एडेड समथिंग और I don't know. Except for that, I think this is a good foundation if you really want to have something between your budget. तो इसका MRP है 599 बट मुझे सेल पर 50% ऑफ पर मिला था. सो आई गॉट इट फॉर 300 bucks विच इज़ क्वाइट गुड. सो दैट्स वन मोर थिंग जो कि मेरी ही गलती है. सो इट इज़ दैट आई चोज द फाउंडेशन शेड 1 shade darker than my actual skin tone, as you can see. So to correct that mistake, what I do is I take my Fit Me foundation, which is exactly my shade, and I take this Wet n Wild foundation. I just pump out 1 drop of this foundation and I just mix it with this foundation. And the result after mixing both of this foundation is just equal to my skin tone. Moving on to the second product, तो मेरे पास है ये concealer. So as you can see, this is the packaging, and this is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and I am in the shade 05, which is medium moyen. So I'm pretty impressed with this concealer. So as you can see that this is how the concealer looks like. So even today I've used this particular concealer to hide my dark circles, my blemishes, my acne, my pigmentation. So this has worked wonders for me, as you can see, because you can't see them. So that is great for this product. It is really blendable. You can blend it easily with a damp sponge or even your brush. So this retails for 199 bucks, but मुझे ये सेल पर मिली थी I think for 169 something. तो मैंने इसको पिक करा. So अब अगर आपको कुछ कंसीलर लेना है then I think you should try out Swiss Beauty. This is really great, super blendable, super coverage. Just try it out. So yeah, that was about this concealer. Let's move on to the next product. For my eyes, I have an eyeshadow palette with me. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I thought of buying. So this is the Maybelline Laminate Craze eyeshadow palette. If you have watched my previous makeup videos, then I used this palette one time while making my summer go-to look. So I'm pretty impressed with this palette. The pigmentation is really great and the colors are so vibrant, so popping. So if I tell you the price of this palette, you might not believe me क्योंकि इसका price है 1250, which is like too much for just these colors. But listen to me, मेरे को ये सेल पर मिली थी which is at 50% off, तो मुझे 625 की मिली थी. So इसमें है 4 shimmer colors and rest of them are the matte colors. I'm really in love with this shade, which is Ice Pop, as well as this strawberry shade, the shimmer shade. I'm gonna show you the pigmentation of all these. So I think this is a yes from my side because the pigmentation is nice, the colors are super blendable, and the colors are really beautiful. So moving on to the next product. So here I have with me setting powder. So this is again from Swiss Beauty. So this is their Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder. First of all, I'm going to tell you that I'm in love with this cute little packaging. Then coming on to the word little, then yes, it is really less quantity. कुछ है भी नहीं इसमें, इतना कम सेटिंग पाउडर. I mean बेकिंग के टाइम पर तो सारा सेटिंग पाउडर यूज़ होता है, तो आई डू नॉट थिंक कि ये क्वांटिटी बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं है. दे कुड हैव एडेड मोर टू इट. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट रिटेल्स फॉर 249 bucks, बट मुझे ये भी सेल पर मिला था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर दी सेल प्राइस. So I'll be mentioning the actual price, sale price, and the link of these products in the description box below. So do check it out. So if you have oily skin, then I would recommend you this product क्योंकि ये अच्छे से मैटिफाई कर देता है आपकी स्किन को. So I think for my next product I have a liner with me. So this is from Wet n Wild. You can use it as a kajal or as a liner. So the thing that I do not like about this product वो ये है कि ये काजल की तरह यूज़ नहीं कर सकते आप, क्योंकि जब इसको आप वाटर लाइन में अप्लाई करोगे तो ये अच्छे से अप्लाई नहीं हो पाता. आई डोंट नॉट नो व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग विद इट, बट ये काफ़ी अच्छा आईलाइनर ज़रूर है. एज यू कैन सी, डू यू सी हियर, मैंने सिर्फ एक स्ट्रोक मारा है यहाँ पर. And this is amazing. You know, you can use it as your eyeliner. This will rock as your liner. So yeah, I think you should try. Moving on to the last two products that I have today. So both are for my lips. So one of them is a lip gloss. This is the lip gloss. So this is from Lakme, and this is their High Shine Gloss. So this retails for 200 bucks और मुझे 200 का ही मिला था क्योंकि मैंने इसको सेल पर नहीं मंगाया था. If you are into lip glosses, because lip gloss are really into trend these days, then I think you should try this out from Lakme. So moving on to the last product, मेरे पास है ये lipstick from Nykaa. So this is the So Matte mini lipstick. So Nykaa के lips are like too little and too costly. So I do not like investing in these lipsticks. But ये मुझे सेल पर मिले, so I thought why not try this out. इसका shade है 20M, which is Caramel Margarita, and it has this beautiful shade. Then I think if you are into lipstick, then I think you should try this one out. So yes, this is a yes from my side. This was all for my Nykaa haul. I hope कि आपको पसंद आया हो, और जितने भी products मैंने दिखाया है, you might love them and you might check it out from the description box. And if you are going to buy them from my recommendation, then do let me know that how they turned out for you. So that was all for my video. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up. Comment me your reviews in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe to it. Press the bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload any new video, which is every Tuesday. Here I have to say a goodbye to all of you. I'll be watching you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.